In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to install a BumperBadger to your vehicle. For demonstration purpose, I'll use a BumperBadger HD edition. To start, you'll need to attach the Velcro trunk straps inside the trunk compartment. You will need to do this only the first time you install the BumperBadger to your vehicle. If the Velcro trunk straps do not adhere to the trunk's carpeting, use the optional Velcro stickers that are provided. For a video tutorial, please watch our alternate installation using Velcro stickers. Start by centering the BumperBadger on your bumper. You can use the trunk latch as a guide. Use your legs to hold the product in place while installing the trunk straps to the trunk carpeting. Once attached, make any micro adjustments to the straps until you have the BumperBadger in the perfect spot on the bumper. Just be sure your product is positioned above the exhaust pipes. Do not block or cover the vehicle's exhaust pipes. Once you have safely parked your vehicle, it's time to deploy the BumperBadger. Simply flip the product out onto the bumper, center it, and make any necessary adjustments if needed. Before driving or operating your vehicle, always return the BumperBadger to the trunk compartment. To do this, simply flip the BumperBadger back inside the trunk compartment and store flat. Keep it clean. For best results, regularly clean your BumperBadger and the bumper surface using a car wash soap. Simply wipe down the front and the back surface, rinse. It's as simple as that. If you're on the go or simply don't have access to water and want to do a quick wipe down, no problem. Simple cleaning wipes will do the trick. Simply wipe down the front and back surface. It's really that simple. Please note, the BumperBadger was designed for parked vehicles only. Do not drive or operate your vehicle with the BumperBadger outside your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Please check out the full line of BumperBadger products, including the new BumperBadger Beast 2-in-1 license plate frame, front bumper guard. And if you have any questions, please reach out. We are always happy to help.